Good morning, students. In the last video, we are discussing about general solution of first order and first degree differential equation. Now, today I am going to deal with some more problems. Now, here, find the particular solution satisfying the given condition, given differential equation dy by dx equal to y tan x at y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0. First, to find out the general solution. After finding the general solution, to find the particular solution. Particular solution means to find the value of c. C value and find out one. Okay. Now, how to solve? Now, here first you have to identify. Now, given data dy by dx is equal to y tan x. Verify whether given data is it separated. No. How to separate it? The given differential equation can be written in the form f of x dx one side, g of y dy another side. Now here dy by dx equal to y tan x, cross multiply. See what happened? dy is equal to y tan x into dx. Is it separated? No. Now here tan x dx okay, but here y another variable, so that eliminate y, so that divide both sides by y, we get dy by y is equal to tan x into dx, or we can write 1 by y dy is equal to tan x into dx, or 1 by y dy minus tan x dx is equal to 0. Clearly, variables are separated. Once it is separate, then integrate both sides. Integrate equation 2. We get integral of 1 by y with respect to y minus integral of tan x with respect to x is equal to integral of 0, constant c. Then integrate. What is integral of 1 by y? You know, log of y or log of mod y minus integral of tan x, standard result, log of mod sec x, or we write log of sec x is equal to, in left hand side both the terms in terms of log, so c constant, we can write log c is also, because log c is also constant. Okay, now put y is equal to m, sec x is equal to n, log m minus log n, laws of logarithm, log m upon n, that is y divided by sec x is equal to log c, right? Now resolve log on both sides. Therefore, y divided by sec x is equal to c. This is the general solution. Now, but the question is to find the particular solution. It means to find the value of c. How to solve? Now, given that y is equal to 1, x equal to 0, values are given. Put x is 0, y is 1 in equation 3. Put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 in equation number 3. We get y value 1 divided by sec x value 0 is equal to c. 1 by sec 0 value 1 is equal to c. Therefore, c is equal to 1 by 1 is 1. Therefore, particular solution, that is equation 3 gives, what is that? Equation 3 gives y divided by sec x is equal to c. C value 1, or cross multiply y is equal to sec x. This is the particular solution of given differential equation. Okay, same method again previous problem solve ಮಾಡಿದವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ type. First to find the general solution. After finding the general solution, put x value and y value in general solution. It will get the value of c. That value of c is the particular solution. Okay. Similarly, second problem. Find the particular solution of cos of dy by dx is equal to a. Given that y is equal to 2, x is equal to 0. Now, first separate the given differential equation. Given cos of dy by dx equal to a, therefore dy by dx is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? By definition of inverse, cos inverse of a. Cross multiply, dy is equal to cos inverse a into dx, or we can write 1 dy minus cos inverse a dx is equal to 0. clearly variables are separated. Here a is constant, cos inverse is purely it is constant. So once it is variables are separated, next step integrate both sides. Integrate equation number 2. Integral of 1 with respect to y minus integral of cos inverse a with respect to x. Integral of 0, constant c. Integrate. What is integral of 1 with respect to y? Y minus cos inverse a constant. Take outside. Constant term take outside. Constant term ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1. What is integral of 1? X is equal to c. This is the general solution. Now to find a particular solution, so by substituting, put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2 in equation number 3. We get what happened? Put y is 2, x is 0, y value 2 minus cos inverse of a, x value 0 is equal to c. 2 minus cos inverse a into 0, 0 is equal to c. Therefore, c is equal to 2. Therefore, particular solution, that is equation 3, gives y minus cos inverse a into x is equal to c value 2. Right? Or y is equal to 2. That term goes to right side. Plus x into cos inverse of a. X into cos inverse of a. This is the particular solution of given differential equation. First, to find the general solution. After finding the general solution, by substituting the value of x value and y value in general solution, it will get the value of c. That value of c is the particular solution. I think you have followed. Okay. Next problem. Find the particular solution satisfying the given condition xy into dy by dx is equal to x plus 2 into y plus 2. Verify whether given differential equation is it separated? No, it is not separated. First separate it. How to separate? X dx one side, y dy another side. Now how to solve? Cross multiply. Xy into dy is equal to x plus 2 into y plus 2 dx. Notice separate ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? ಇಲ್ಲ. Y dy okay, eliminate x. Then x plus 2 dx okay, eliminate y plus 2. ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಡ ಆಗಿದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Divide by x, here divide by y plus 2. Divide complete term by x into y plus 2. See what happened? X cancel. Y divided by y plus 2 dy is equal to, now y plus 2 cancel, x plus 2 divided by x with respect to x. Or we can write y by y plus 2 dy minus x plus 2 by x dx is equal to 0. Clearly, variables are separated. Once it is separate, integrate equation 2. We get integral of y divided by y plus 2 dy minus integral of x plus 2 divided by x with respect to x. Integral of 0, constant c. Now simplify. Now here y by y plus 2. In the numerator, y can be written as, we can write y plus 2 minus 2. Because plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, it will become same result. Okay. Divided by y plus 2 with respect to y minus integral of, here divide term by term, x by x plus 2 by x with respect to x is equal to c. Now again here divide term by term, y plus 2 divided by y plus 2 1 minus 2 divided by y plus 2 with respect to y minus integral of x by x cancel 1 plus 2 divided by x with respect to x is equal to c. Okay, then integrate. What is integral of 1 with respect to y? That is y minus 2 constant. Integral of 1 by y plus 2 log of y plus 2, right? Minus integral of 1 with respect to x plus 2 constant take outside, integral of 1 by x, yes, that is log x is equal to c. This is the general solution. Okay. Now we are call it as equation. This is general solution. Now to find a particular solution, so that by substituting x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 in equation 3. What happened? Y value minus 1 minus 2 log of y value minus 1 plus 2 minus x value 1 plus 2 log x value 1 is equal to c. Right? Simplify minus 1 minus 2 log minus 1 plus 2 1 minus 1 plus 2 log 1 is equal to 0. Minus 2 log 1 plus 2 log 1 cancel, isn't it? So minus 1 minus 2 is equal to c. Therefore c is equal to minus 2. We got c value. Therefore particular solution equation 3 gives y minus 2 log of y plus 2 minus x plus 2 log x is equal to c value minus 2. Now further rearrange, that is y minus x. Okay, then take equal on right side, plus 2 is equal to minus 2 log of y plus 2 goes to right side, plus 2 log of y plus 2, right? Then 2 log x goes to right side, minus 2 log x. Okay, so that y minus x plus 2 is equal to, among those 2 common, log of y plus 2 minus log x. That is y minus x plus 2 is equal to 2 log m minus log n log m by n, y plus 2 by x. This is the particular solution satisfying the given differential equation. Okay. I will repeat once again. Minus integral of 1 is x, minus into plus, this is minus 2 log x is equal to c. Put x is 1, y is minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 log of minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 log 1 is equal to c. That is minus 1 minus 2 log 1 minus 1. Then here minus 2 log 1 is equal to c. Now log 1 value 0. 0 into 2. That is also, this is 0. That is also 0. Minus 1 minus 2 is equal to c. Right? Because log 1 value 0. 0 into 2 0. Here also log 1 is 0. 0 into 2 0. Complete both the terms are 0. Minus 1 minus 2 is equal to c. C is equal to minus 2. Put c is equal to minus 2 in equation number 3. We get y minus 2 log of y plus 2 minus x. Here minus 2 log x is equal to minus 2. Rearrange y minus x plus 2 is equal to 2 log of y plus 2. Then minus 2 log x goes to right side, plus 2 log x. Okay. Now take 2 common, log of y plus 2 plus log x. Now put y plus 2 is equal to m and x equal to n. Log m plus log n is equal to log m into n, that is y plus 2 into x. Make it correction. Okay. Next problem. Problem number 14. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point origin 0, 0, whose differential equation is y dash is equal to e power x into sin x. That is nothing but to find the particular solution satisfying the differential equation y dash is equal to e power x dx. Y dash is nothing but what? dy by dx is equal to e power x into sin x. Okay. And passes through the point x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Now first we have to verify whether given data is it separated? No. Separated. dy is equal to e power x into sin x dx. Clearly variables are separated. Once it is separate, then integrate equation number 2. Okay. Now integral of 1 with respect to y is equal to integral of e power x sin x with respect to x. Okay. Now here call it as equation 3. Now in right side value. Now simplify. First we have to simplify right side value. Let right side value denoted by I is equal to integral of e power x into sin x. Okay. Now here product of two functions. Apply product rule. LIAT for first function is sin x, second function is e power x. You know the formula. What is that? First function as it is sin x into integral of second function. Integral of e power x is e power x itself. Okay. Minus integral of derivative of first function. Derivative of sin x is cos x into integral of second function. Integral of e power x is e power x itself. Okay. Now simplify e power x sin x minus again here product of two functions. Once again apply product rule. The rule says first function as it is into integral of second function e power x minus integral of derivative of first function differentiation of cos x minus sin x into integral of second function e power x. Okay, so that is e power x into sin x minus, remove that, e power x cos x minus into minus plus into minus into integral of e power x into sin x. Okay, so that is I is equal to e power x sin x minus e power x into cos x minus integral of e power x sin x dx denoted by taking I plus constant of integration c. Now take minus I on left side plus I, that is 2I is equal to, among those two take e power x common, sin x minus cos x plus constant of integration c. Divide by 2 so that I is equal to e power x divided by 2 into bracket sin x minus cos x plus constant of integration c. Therefore, what is the value of I? Given e power x sin x with respect to x value, e power x by 2 into bracket sin x minus cos x plus c. This is the result for right side, that is integral of e power x into cos x. Now put that value in equation 3. Therefore, equation 3 gives integral of 1 with respect to y is equal to integral of e power x sin x value e power x by 2 into bracket sin x minus cos x plus constant of integration c. Now cross multiply 2y or write as it is. This is equation 4. This is the general solution. Okay. Now to find the particular solution by substituting, passing through the origin, so that put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in equation 4. Y value 0 is equal to e power 0 divided by 2 into sin x minus cos x, sin x value 0, cos x value 0 plus c. Now that is 0 is equal to e power 0 1 by 2, sin 0 value 0, cos 0 is 1 plus c. Now this implies 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus c is equal to 0, hence c is equal to plus 1 by 2. Therefore, put c value in equation 3. That is equation 4. Equation 4 gives y is equal to e power x by 2 into bracket sin x minus cos x plus c value 1 by 2. This is the particular solution satisfying the differential equation y dash is equal to e power x into sin x. 3-mark question. Okay. Next problem, 3-mark question. Find the equation of a curve passing through the point 0, minus 2, given that at any point x, y on the curve, the product of slope of its tangent and y coordinate of the point, product of slope of its tangent and y coordinate is equal to x coordinate of the point. The above statement is nothing but, according to the question, mathematically, symbolically, how to write? Given equation of curve passing through the point 0, minus 2, such that the product of slope of tangent, as you know that slope of tangent denoted by dy by dx, right? Product of slope of tangent and y coordinate. Slope of tangent dy by x into y coordinate 1 is equal to x coordinate of the point. So the above statement is nothing but symbolically we write y into dy by dx equal to what? Is equal to x. This is a differential equation. Now solve that differential equation. After finding the general solution by taking the point x equal to 0, y is minus 2. Now identify whether given data is it separated? No. First one separated. Cross multiply. Y dy is equal to x dx, or we can write y dy minus x dx is equal to 0. Clearly variables are separated. Once it is separate, integrate equation number 2. Okay, so that integral of y with respect to y minus integral of x with respect to x, integral of 0 is c. Now integrate integral of y square by 2 minus integral of x square by 2 is equal to c. This is the general solution. Now by substituting x equal to 0, y is minus 2. In equation 3, it will get the value of c. Put x is 0, y is minus 2. Y value minus 2, minus 2 square, 4 by 2. X value 0, 0 square, 0 by 2 is 0, is equal to c. Therefore, c is equal to 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are, that is 4 by 2 is the what? C value 2. Therefore, equation 3 gives equation of curve. Equation 3 gives y square by 2 minus x square by 2 is equal to c. C value 2. Simplify. Left hand side take the LCM. LCM is 2. Y square minus x square by 2 is equal to 2. Cross multiply. Y square minus x square is equal to 2 2s are 4. Therefore, y square is equal to 4. Transfer it, plus x square, or y is equal to under root of 4 plus x square. This is the equation of curve passing through the point 0, minus 2. Right? This is the particular solution. 3-mark question. Important sum. Practicing. Okay? Yes. Last problem in this type. Here, at any point x, y of a curve, the slope of tangent is twice the slope of the line segment joining the point of contact to the point minus 4, 3. Then find the equation of the curve passes through the point minus 2, 1. Now here, according to the above statement, that is nothing but the slope of line segment joining the point of contact to the point. One point is x, 1. Another point is minus 4, minus 3. Okay. Now this is called as x1, y1. Here, to find at any point on the curve the slope of tangent, you know that slope of tangent denoted by dy by dx is equal to twice, 2 times the slope of line segment joining the point of contact using one point formula. What is slope of line? That is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. That is dy by dx is equal to 2 of y minus y1 value minus 3, minus into minus plus 3 divided by x minus x1 value minus 4, minus into minus plus 4. Okay, now this is the differential equation. Now separating the differential equation, cross multiply dy is equal to 2 times y plus 3 by x plus 4 into dx. Is it separated? No. Now here take y plus 3 on left side so that we can write dy by y plus 3 is equal to 2 divided by x plus 4 dx, or we can write 1 by y plus 3 dy minus 2 by x plus 4 dx is equal to 0. Clearly variables are separated. Then integrate equation number 2. We get integral of 1 by y plus 3 with respect to y minus integral of 2 by x plus 4 with respect to x, integral of 0, c. Then simplify. What is integral of 1 by y plus 3? That is log of y plus 3, correct? Minus 2 constant. What is integral of 1 by x plus 4? Log of x plus 4 is equal to c. Okay, now this implies log of y plus 3 minus 42 is equal to n and x plus 4 is m. It is in the form n log m. Laws of logarithm we can write log of x plus 4 whole power 2, right, is equal to c constant. We can write log c is also constant. Okay, now once again apply laws of logarithm. Put y plus 3 is equal to m, x plus 4 whole power 2 called as n, log m minus log n is equal to log of m by n, that is y plus 3 by x plus 4 whole power 2 is equal to log c. Resolve log on both sides. Y plus 3 divided by x plus 4 whole power 2 is equal to c. This is the general solution. Now by substituting which passes through the point that is given, x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1 in equation 3, it will get the value of c. So y value 1 plus 3 divided by x value minus 2 plus 4 whole power 2 is equal to c. Therefore c is equal to 1 plus 3 4 minus 2 plus 4 2 square 4 4 cancel, that is 1. Therefore equation of curve, that is equation 3, gives y plus 3 divided by x plus 4 whole power 2 is equal to c value 1. Therefore cross multiply y plus 3 is equal to x plus 4 whole power 2, or we can write y is equal to x plus 4 whole power 2, that 3 goes to right side minus 3. This is the equation of curve. So this completes separating the variables of first order and first degree differential equation. Then two more results in this topic, namely homogeneous differential equation, another one is linear differential equation. Okay, so next class we will discuss about homogeneous differential equation. Okay, thank you.